back to my channel. My name is Moesha. I'm glad you're back. And today I'll be doing a makeup haul, drugstore. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, turn it on so you never miss a video, and let's get into this makeup haul. Starting at random, I'll be showing you the first thing that I got, which is the NYX palette. It is the contour and highlight palette. And I have to tell you, I have seen this palette in stores a lot. And each time I try to persuade myself to buy it. But I never do because the price was up there. Whenever I looked at the price, I just walked away. Until, of course, I saw it on sale and convinced myself to purchase it. And these are powder base contour. I don't usually do cream. I'm trying to venture out of my comfort zone to try new things, especially with YouTube, so you guys won't be seeing the same routine. But for now, I'm going with the powder for my nose and my cheekbones. And I like that the palette has different shades, even though it's not, 50 shades of brown and light. It does the job, But yeah, this is the NYX Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. Expensive for the price. I'm gonna try it to see because. Alright, up next is the Makeup Revolution Makeup Revolution palette. They collaborated with Soph X, and the palette is called Extra Spice. So it's extra spicy. So the colors are very hot, very hot. And let me just say, I love the packaging. Seriously. I mean, some people might not like it because they think it's a fingerprint magnet, but I don't really see that, because I think it looks super high end and very chic, with the reflective surface. I like that because sometimes if you don't have a mirror or you just want to see, do something real quick on your face, you can just take a palette and use the reflector. Oh my god. These are hard to open, honestly. Alright. These are the shades. Look at these colors. Now I really like this coral red shade right here. But yes, this palette screams summer. And like I said before, I really like the reflective surface they did on this. It makes it look less cheap. Now the next palette will be the Milani Pure Passion. Well, they are not lying when they say the colors are saturated. And the next palette that I got was from, I don't know if it's Flower Beauty, but these colors are so vibrant. I really like this shade. I love the burnt orange. It's kind of similar to the shirt that I'm wearing right now. Now the next palette that I got is a favorite. It's a highlighter. I love highlighters. And it is by the brand Revolution in collaboration with Soph X from YouTube. And this baby, oh my god, look at all these shades. See? Oh, what more can you ask for? Next highlighter palette is by Milani, and this one is the Holographic Beam. Another product that I got from Milani was their Baked Bronzer in Soleil in shade 5. And this bronzer comes with a mirror and a brush. This is the Milani Suntan. This is the bronzing powder. Yeah, I think this shade will do. It says it's a tropical scented bronzer. That's probably why it smells nice. And it's blendable and streak free, and it's weightless and long wearing. I don't know. Today the bronzer I'm wearing is by BH Cosmetics, and that's my go-to bronzer. Oh my god, it's hot in here. This is the Baked Powder Blush, and this is the Luminoso. And I really hope the shade goes with me. And the sad thing is, it came broken. That's the sad thing. Yep, broken. Next, baked powder blush that I got is the Rose de Oro area. This is also the baked powder blush by Milani, and this is in the shade Dolce Pink. And this is how it looks like. This is very rosy, people. Very rosy and pink. I really like pink blushes. The next blush that I got is from LA Girl. And this is the Just Blushing in the little rectangle things. See? This one is the Just Blushing, and this one has a lot of shimmer, honestly. It has a lot of shimmer, which I'm not a fan of. And the other one is also by LA Girl in the shade Just Peachy. And I really like this shade. I love the peach tones to it. Looks very nice. And it reminds me of the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine. Just the only difference I would say is Mellow Wine is more muted in tone, and this one is a bit, not a bit, this one is obviously brighter and more vibrant. And the other blush, I got 3 blushes, all from Milani. And honestly guys, I'm not gonna lie, I already opened, I haven't used them, but I opened them to smell them, and they smelled horrible. They really smelled horrible. So let me start out with the rosy pink. This one is the Coral Cove, and it's very pretty. Yes, it's pretty, and it smells horrible. But I'm gonna use it to see, you know, with some products, once you use it, sometimes it just, the scent evaporates. So let's hope that's what happens with this. Because from the reviews I was watching of people, you know, hyping over these, I don't remember hearing them say anything about them having a scent. And this is in the shade Blossomtime and Blossomtime Rose. And this one, honestly, apart from the rosy thing, the rose one just now, all of them seem ashy for my skin tone. So this is how it is. Actually, this is not bad. The scent of this one is not bad. But the other one, horrible. But compared to the other two, it's not half as bad. And the next shade from the same collection, Rose collection, is Romantic Rose. Oh. Oh. Okay, the 2 shades that smell horrible, let me just say up front, are the Romantic Rose, this one, and the Coral Cove have a horrible scent to them. If you're sensitive, if you have a sensitive nose to scents, I advise that you pass on these because they have a strong scent. It's not even perfumey. If it's a perfume, they need to discontinue it. So the next product are setting sprays. Now I bought 2 of these. These are the Mario Badescu facial sprays. They're not advertised as setting sprays, but a lot of people use them as setting sprays, and they've found good results. Now I've seen this all throughout social media, YouTube platforms. A lot of people like this, so that's why I bought it, you know, to see what all the hype is about. Now let me read the back for you. First, this is the facial spray with olive, cucumber, and green tea. Now it says it's suitable for all skin types. And the back reads, invigorate dull, tired skin with an infusion of nutrient-rich botanicals and cucumber essential water. This facial mist delivers a cooling boost of hydration as green tea provides powerful antioxidant protection, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. I would use this for a regular facial mist, you know. And they do advise in the directions that you mist onto face and neck as needed. Use on clean skin for added hydration before you apply moisturizer throughout the day to revive and refresh skin, or after makeup application for a dewy finish. If it gets into your eye, wash it off. And with the rose water one, this is the one with the olive, herbs, and rose water. And it reads, whether spritz for a hydrating boost or midday pick-me-up, this cult favorite face mist helps revive dehydrated skin with a dewy glow anytime, anywhere. A floral infusion of olive, rose, and gardenia boosts the complexion, leaving the skin radiant and re-energized. So it's basically like the other one, just different botanicals, basically, yeah. Basically, that's it. They're in the same family, just different cousins. Let me know if you've tried these, because I think a lot of people have tried this. I'm way behind on some of these products. Some of these products are not new at all. So I'm just late to the party. It's normal. And the next product is another setting spray. And this one is by Catrice. I've never used Catrice before, honestly, but I'm gonna start getting into it. I don't know. I feel like I might like the brand. This is their long-lasting Prime and Fine multi-talent fixing spray. It's a mouthful, but it seems to work, you know. It claims to repair the skin, improve makeup wear, and refreshes the complexion. So let me spray it for you. It's a nice smell. It's It's not overbearing or anything. You know when you go to a store and you go specifically for just one item, and when you leave with a basket full of things you weren't even planning to buy. That's what happened to me when I went to Ulta. I just went for a setting spray. The next one is the Milani Make It Last. I really was debating between the clear bottle and the black bottle. It was a long process. In the end, I went for the clear one. I'm not sure why, I forgot. I've had this box in my room for sitting here for a while because I've been planning to do this haul and I've been procrastinating on it, okay? The next product that I got is this NYX Contour Wonder Stick. It is a contour and highlight stick. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this is in the shade Deep. Now the next thing that I got is this Essence Mascara. It is a lash primer. It is the Volume Booster Lash Primer. It claims to give you super volume with enriched grapefruit. Yeah, it smells good. It smells like hair conditioner. It does. And the last two are highlighters. Final. And these are the Catrice 3D Glow highlighters. This one is in the shade Pinch of Rose, and the other one is Warm Embrace. These are such nice names. Sexy. And this one is the Rose tint right here. It's a rose tint to it. And the other one, which is Warm Embrace, is very golden. Not golden, but it's a nice gold sheeny bronze. It looks pretty. And the scent is barely there. It's not unbearable. You'll get over it. Alright guys, there's only one product left. It's not really a product, but it was a free gift. And it came in this pouch right here, which is very cute, don't you think? And also, it came with this free lipstick. It's by the brand NYX, and that's the lingerie line. I can't open it. I'm not gonna break my nails. And also, it came with this NYX thing, Professional. I did not know NYX had a beauty blender, so that was new for me. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. So I was really excited to do this, honestly. I've been stalling for a while, but I finally got to it. I think I got some awesome products. So let me know what you think, what you've tried, what you liked. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit that hit that bell down below and turn it on so you never miss a video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.